Hi, I'm Commissioner Ken Hodder, National Commander of the Salvation Army. I'm here today in Houma, Louisiana, where the Salvation Army, from this canteen alone, is serving more than 800 meals in the space of just a couple of hours. The Salvation Army was here within 24 hours of Hurricane Ida, and we will be here until all the needs are met. Thank you for what you do to support our work, and we invite you to go to salvationarmyusa.org to learn more. In the meantime, keep the people of Louisiana and the Northeast in your prayers. May God bless you.